What's the meaning of contemporaneously? Contemporaneously. Contemporaneously.
Contemporaneously. Contemporaneously. Contemporaneously means happening or existing at the same time.
When something is described as happening contemporaneously, it means that it occurred during the same period as something else. For example, if two historical events are said to have happened contemporaneously, it means they took place at around the same time. This word is often used in legal and historical contexts. Understanding the concept of contemporaneous events is important in analyzing cause and effect relationships and making accurate historical claims.